We have the beautiful sun here. Get a better glimpse of that. Beautiful sun in the morning. July 4th. Happy Independence Day. I don't celebrate it. These ignorant people, these uneducated people. That's what Dr. Dawkins was saying. He was saying, well, in the book, the God Delusion, I'm going along through that, getting more into reading the God Delusion, and he was saying, oh, the ignorant people, they believe in God because they're ignorant. I'm just these assumptions are amazing to me. The assumption that the average traditional family just believes in God because they're ignorant. They had children and, they didn't get a PhD and that's why they're ignorant or they just don't know what's going on. People are fakes. They say they believe in God because it's popular to believe in God. They really believe in witchcraft. There was a girl that rode my bus who admitted to being a witch. She doesn't believe in God. The average person, I don't want to say what she did for a living, but it wasn't something high up. I don't think she was rich either. She wasn't rich. She wasn't apparently very well educated. Not that she wasn't smart. Not that she had some degree of intelligence, but she was just an average person. She would say she's a Christian, I think, but she's also a witch. But anyway, there are supposed to be 1 billion chemical reactions in a cell in a second. 1 billion chemical reactions in a cell in a second. So you talk about the most basic life that we have. We have 1 billion chemical reactions in each of our cells, same in singular cells. So somebody says, well, lightning struck water and there's a chemical reaction. The electricity was a catalyst for chemical reactions. Well, yeah, one chemical reaction like baking soda, like vinegar on baking soda, does not make life. I can't pour vinegar on baking soda and make life. And there are very specific reactions that support life. It is ridiculous to think that even 1,000 or even 100 or even 10 chemical reactions caused life when lightning struck water, kind of a priori argument. Come on, people. Nobody's that stupid. You have these intelligent people start saying stupid things, and we all know they're more intelligent than that.